Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Affiliate Hero 90 Days Journey. I'm Matt and today is day 64. I've got some exciting news today. Our first sale from the Write Up Reviews promotion just came in. This is exactly why we stay consistent and keep pushing forward. Let's break it all down and dive into today's strategy. Yes, you've heard it right. Our first sale has dropped in, and this is a clear sign that consistency pays off. Today, I'll walk you through how we got here, review the stats, and set up another email to keep the momentum going. Plus, we'll briefly talk about what's coming next after we finish this one and one more ClickBank promotion HBA, the Home Business Academy. First thing first, let's look at the stats. Let's log into MLGS, go to statistics. Here is the breakdown from yesterday's email campaign. We saw some great engagement, and finally, the first sale came in. This is proof that follow up and staying consistent with your offers really works. The first sale is just the beginning, with write up reviews being such a relatable offer. More sales will come as we keep building up the momentum. Now, let's set up another email using a fresh swipe from the offer. Let's go to affiliate offer page. So here's today's email swipe. We'll be using email number 4. Let's copy it to our document and let's set it up as we always do. Okay, let's copy the email number 4. Let's go to our document. Paste our email and let's make all the changes. So introduction. Let's quickly read through the email as well. Sign your email. And let's make changes to our hop link. So your ClickBank ID. And if you want to keep track of where the lead is coming, the TID. Okay, let's now encode it in in ClickBank. Go to affiliate link tools, encode, place your link, and encode your affiliate link. Okay, that's perfect. Let's now enter it in the proper places. There will be 2 spots. Join our app testing team and click here and apply now. That's where I suggest entering the link. Let's do that. So highlight the whole sentence, right click, insert link, and apply. Same with the second sentence. As usual, we're keeping the messaging clear and engaging with a strong call to action that encourages readers to sign up for write up reviews. The email swipes provided by the offer are well optimized, so no need to make big changes, but I always recommend tweaking the subject line for your audience. Okay, since we have the email ready, now let's go to MLGS and let's set up today's email. So let's go to mailing system, select all the leads, let's get the subject. Now the email body. As always, highlight the links so they're more prominent. Select the perfect timing and send the email. Now that we've seen our first sale, here's something to think about. If you're starting to see consistent sales coming through, it might be worth considering getting an additional MLGS account. The cool thing is you can use your affiliate link from your first MLGS account to create the second one. Not only will this double your leads, but it will also pay you commission from your second account. MLGS allows this, so it's a great way to scale your leads and income at the same time. Before we wrap up, let me quickly share what's coming next. After we finish promoting write up reviews and one more ClickBank offer, we'll be diving into promoting the Home Business Academy or HBA. It's a powerful tool for building funnels and growing your online business. But for now, we'll stay focused on finishing our ClickBank promotion strong. Keep an eye out because HBA will be coming soon. I can't stress this enough. Affiliate marketing is all about consistency. This first sale is a direct result of staying consistent with our email campaigns and nurturing our leads. If you stay committed, sales will come, but it's the daily effort that really moves the needle. If you want more support and tips on how to succeed in affiliate marketing, make sure to join our Affiliate Success Hub Facebook group. It's a community of people just like you working hard to build success. You'll find the link in the description below, so make sure to join us today. So that's it for the day 64. We've got our first sale and we're just getting started. I'll be back tomorrow with more updates as we continue promoting write-up reviews and then move on to our next ClickBank offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, all the important links are in the description below. Sorry. Let's keep this momentum going, and I'll see you tomorrow.